Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to disable touch screen on your Windows 11 PC. For this video, I will use two methods and you can use either according to your needs. So let me start without any delay. First one method is through Device Manager. For that, right click on this one Start button, select here Device Manager option. In the Device Manager window, double click on Human Interface Devices, this one option. Then you need to find HID compliant touchscreen option. Right click on this one, select here Disable Device option. Then click on this one Yes button. This will disable touchscreen on your Windows 11 PC. And in case you want to enable it, right click on this one option, select here Enable option. This will again enable touchscreen on your Windows 11 PC. The next one method is through Registry Editor. For that, click on this one Start button, type here Registry Editor and click on this one Registry Editor entry. In case Windows prompts, click Yes. Now you need to copy and paste this one path from this one video description. After that, paste here and then press enter on the keyboard. This will take you up to touch key on the left sidebar. On the right, you need to create a regdebug. For that, right click on free space and select here new and then debug 32-bit value option. Name it touch gate. Then click outside. Then double click on this one touch gate option. You need to enter here value data 0 to disable this one touch screen, and in case you want to enable the touch screen on your PC, set the value data to 1 and then click on this one OK button. After that, restart your PC once to apply the changes. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Geared Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.